Hi, good morning, guys. This is Alex. I'm in the process of changing my anti-knock sensor for Mazda 3 1.6 liters year model 2006. Well, I've seen another video. It's a lady mechanic, and it looks like so complicated. So for now, I will be doing and following the steps, but maybe again, in every Mazda 3, uh, I've, I've seen it with a 2.0 model, pero this one that we have here right now is a 1.6, which is really way back different. So simulan na natin. For the very first step that we have to do is number one. So the first thing that you have to do is one, take out the batteries, you know, negative side, take it out. Then of course take out the uh, filters, the one on top right here, which is this one now. Okay, right there. And this goes to the computer box, one on the left, one on the right. Then we have like one bolt here, another one on the side, and all of those. Then here, of course, you have to take out, loosen this from the throttle body, and this one over here just pop up. Take out the plastic screw on here. Then now it looks this way. uh, and this one, this fuel rail, you have the hardest part here. All you have to do is push forward, push forward, uh, give pressure in here so that this one's gonna lift up right there, then pull back, and then we're clear. Then next is I'm gonna take the fuel rail out by taking these nuts over here, 1 and 2. That will be the next step. For now, I will let it stay that way as I'm waiting for the spare parts. We're in the anti-knock. Here is it, the connector. From here, going behind this intake manifold. So let's see. Put some lights on. There you go. So I have to get that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 bolts. Then maybe, I don't know if I have to take this out, this cable, oscillator cable, and pull it back. And I noticed that right there, the hose is like something like there's a crack on it and it's loose. Why do I do this? Because I have a check engine, and it says there on the diagnose of the OBDs, it says like anti-knock, bank 1, it's a failure. So every time I reset it, that comes back, but the engine's running good. Nothing like a ping or something on the engine. So it could be, most probably the sensor is already, you know, old. And the history of this vehicle is that it went underwater on a flooded day. Then I was able to restore this. Now that's the only problem, but this this runs good. The engine is real good and fine. So that's the start. Once we'll be going to the technical thing by pulling it out, I'll get back to you. So for now, let's take a break. See you later. Bye.